Okay, Ruby 2.0 is now official and it's been released. So upcoming days, I'll be playing with this on daily basis and probably use the screencast to record things that I find out. So today I'm just gonna, right now I'm going to record getting started and one feature that I was looking forward to, which is name parameters. Okay, let's get started. The first thing that I need to do is, as I always do when I install anything, I do brew update. And then in this case rvm get head. Okay, so just in case I do rvm reload again, and let's see, so if you look at rvm list known, and there you see that this just been released. So rvm install ruby 2.0.0 and this p0, and this will install and will take some time. Okay, it took quite a while, but it installed it. So let me look at the Ruby version now. So if you look at it, let's try this one more time. Okay, so use see if this will work. Okay, so there. Okay, now that I have a Ruby 2.0 installed, let's play with a new feature. And the first one that I want to test out was name parameters. Now, that's something that actually I even joked about in a previous screencast as somebody who's doing Objective-C every day, and the fact that the name RubyHead came from CocoaHead. So that's something that actually I was. Although I joked about it, it was something I was looking forward to, because parsing through and actually pulling out the values from a hash was a little bit of a pain in the ass. So this is a feature that I actually thought it would be nice. So let's actually play with it and test it out now that I have it installed. So I'm just going to create a named parameters.rb, and let's see. I'm going to create a method called foo, and then width, and it will be default. So basically name parameters, I'm just specifying the default value here. So it will be default, but in this case I'll probably name the class that it comes from, or whatever that I have. And I'm going to test out the delegate. By default it will be string, and selector will be 2s. Just in case you don't know, the selector is basically a method that actually will be invoked. We call it selector in Objective-C. So I'm just using it here. I know this is a bad joke, but bear with me. Okay, so it will be have a width value, and let's see. Rather than going to getting the hash and actually putting the key width, I will have to just do width, which is nice. So I'm going to do put delegate, and let's see what delegate class is. So delegate class 2s, just in case, and I'm going to put result, which will invoke a method in delegate. So I'm going to put let's see, in this case delegate, and I'm going to send the method. Okay, so there, and what I'll do is I'll define a method here. So that will be bar, and just puts hello from bar. And let's end this. Okay, so let's call this method. I'm going to say foo with June, and it will be delegate, will be self, right? And I'm going to call this bar method, and that has to be in string, I guess. So thing that we will probably expect is with June delegate, it will be a, I believe this main or object, and they will invoke our method, which will say hello from bar. Okay, so let's run this, and we get syntax error. Expected colon expected, or oh, check this out. Okay, so you cannot do kind of method call like what we used to do before. So if you go back and look at the file, okay, so apparently a thing that I didn't like about all the other languages, we have to put parentheses. Let's try this time, and sure enough it does that. Okay, this is something interesting. If you look at this, and let's look at the method. Okay, so I'm gonna do name parameters. If you notice, I said here is it puts result and then put the whatever's evaluated, right? But notice this hello from bar came before result. So basically, execution chain is that it first evaluates this and then executes the rest. So if you look at it, it says puts, this gets done, and actually this is executed first. That's something that we I didn't know before, but I guess just found out just playing with this. So that's interesting. So right now it's the name parameters I covered, and coming days I probably will cover each topics things that I discover one by one. Okay.